Well guys, we got another work week done, so it's Friday here. We're just gonna head home. Truck's all washed up, and we're leaving out Sunday again. We got 2 stops, one in Mississippi and one in Texas, so we're gonna get out of this cold weather and head where it's a little bit warmer. So if you guys see me this next week, make sure you shout out at me and maybe we can roll down the interstate together. Come on. So stay tuned for the videos to come. We're gonna do a couple here going down to Mississippi and Texas, and maybe even hit a chrome shop on the way home and see what they got. So see what we can find, but stay tuned for the videos to come. Like, subscribe, drop comments, and we're gonna get out of here and head home and see the kids and wife. So stay tuned. Until next time, keep shiny side up and keep on trucking.